Hello everyone.
Bruh.
So as you can see, I'm doing my hair right now, but I'm gonna be doing a vlog, and it starts at 12 a.m. and start getting ready for the day. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye bye. Hi y'all. Well, I just finished doing my makeup and my hair is still not dry. I'm gonna go to school. Bye. Despite being early, we have a test for math and I didn't study. It's the next day and it's Friday right now, and I'm so freaking happy because it's Saturday tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so glad. I'm gonna see you at school. Bye bye.
Sir, unsa bili ka? Sudara sir, oh. Kana lang.
Te, pagdala ira te. Te.
Like for example, not all is being backed up. Ang angkol kay kung siya usa sa mga angkol kay wa ba kay di mo siya ginaan mo.